Hey girlies, we are here with Wowafrican hair. If you are looking for a unit that is going to be undetectable, people are going to be like, sis, that is your real hair, this is the unit for you. I do have their Coily textured HD lace 9x6 pre-everything wear and go glueless wig. She's 20 inches, 180% in density. Everything's done for you. Pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. You ain't got to do no work. Let's get into it. So we're just going to go ahead and put the wig on. I am going to go ahead and adjust the drawstring in the back just so I can shake my head a little bit around so you guys can see how fit and secure this wig is just with the drawstring only. Definitely glueless approved. You don't need to secure it down at all. So I am going to go ahead and tint the lace. I love to tint HD laces just with cream foundation. I feel like that's all you need. I tint the inside and the outside, and this is how it looks. Stop playing. Flawless. Okay, with lace. All right, so now I'm just going to go in and we're going to go ahead and prep the hairline. Like I said, pretty much all the hard work is done. They bleached the knots, they plucked the hairline. So all we need to do is just do a teeny bit of hot comb. I don't like to do too much because this is, you know, curly hair. So just put a little bit of wax on there. I went in with my hot comb and look how nice and neat and laid this unit is. Stop playing. So today I wanted to secure it down. I believe my last install with them, I actually wore it completely glueless. I don't remember. But I'm just going to go ahead and secure it down. Now, I did use this Kiss Lace spray to do this step immediately. No, do not use this spray to spray on the outside of the lace. Just use this underneath the lace because it's very hard and sticky and you have to comb out the hairline. Now, it's fine if you're not going to be doing no baby hairs, but if you're going to be doing baby hairs, I definitely just advise you to lay it down underneath of the lace like I'm doing here. And like I said, this is a 9x6, but it's giving almost full lace. Look how far it comes down ear to ear. 9x6 where? 9x6 is where? It's mimicking a 13x6. Nobody can tell me nothing. Going ahead and taking a little bit more of that cream foundation and placing it on the outside of the lace. We're going to allow our elastic band to sit on for about 10 minutes. That is all you need when adhering it with lace spray. I'm going in to dry detangle my unit. Now, I specifically only do this. I sometimes do it on my real hair, but for the most part, I do this on wigs to see and test the quality of the hair. When I tell you guys this is some great quality hair, don't even play with Wowafrican because they're not even about to play with you, okay? You see how this brush is gliding through this hair, okay? It's well moisturized and it's gliding, so that lets me know that I got some good hair on this wig. And look how thick and full it looks. Y'all cannot tell me that this is not my real hair. You can try, but it's giving natural out, okay? I would love to see this hair blow dried out. Ooh, but look how full and thick this is, and the density is 180. So we going in with a lot of body lotion. I think that's what it's called. And I love to use this product when I am doing different styles with curly hair because it doesn't lock in the curls to the point where you can't, you know, maneuver it. It's hard and crunchy. I don't like that. So I love using this product when I'm doing different styles. But look how defined and juicy those curls are. I did not wash or condition their hair at all. I just add water on each section before I go in and define it. And I also use my brush to, you know, make sure the product and water is saturated all over the hair. I love me some coily hair, probably because my real hair texture is just like this as well. But if you want more of that wet hair look, you definitely will have to use mousse because foam wrap lotion is not going to keep coily hair defined, okay? So this is so freaking pretty. So I should have a diffuser, but I lost it. So we just going to blow dry this down with some cool air. Do not run your hands through it. You want those curls to stay in there, so leave it alone. Just dry it, move your head around. This is what the wig looks like once it has been fully dried. It's nice, full, and thick. When I tell you nobody's gonna know, they're gonna know. They're not gonna know because the only question I got every time I wear this wig since I got it, how long have you been growing your hair? I have to invite them into my personal space and say, look, y'all, this is a lace closure wig. a wig. They be shook up. They be looking at me like, what? I need the link. Send me the link to this wig. So I just did this simple cute style just to keep, you know, some of the hair out of my face. I just took 2 pieces and tucked it behind my ear, and we're just going in to define the part because I feel like this just really set everything off. You got the little waves going on in front with the curls. Look at this. This is just a whole vibe. And like I said, if you love thick, juicy, curly, full hair, get this wig. So now, of course, y'all know I gotta do baby hairs. I'm like, we need to see what it's gonna give with that. So I'm just gonna take out a little section on both sides of the unit, and we're just going to create some baby hairs. Now, since this is very coily, a coily texture unit, you don't need to use your mini flat iron to swoop your baby hairs because they just automatically swoop. That's just literally in general with any curly hair. It just naturally swoops into its form and you don't need to do much. So I did add some of my ORS jelly to this because I want the baby hairs to just look, you know, lightweight, not too heavy, not too hard, not too much where it's giving wig. So we're just gonna go ahead and swoop those into perfection, and then we're just gonna dry it down using our blow dryer. All right, so we're gonna do a half up, half down pony. I want the waves in the front. Okay, I love my units looking like, okay, that's her real hair. And if you really want to give that full effect, add some of this body, what is it, foam wrap lotion, and you just take a soft or hard bristle brush and just brush the product into, you know, the hair and put it up in a ponytail. That is it. Also, like I said before, with this textured unit, you can have so many different looks of the curls, and like this one is not defined like as the first one, so it's really giving natural L. Okay, it's giving natural. You're gonna really be able to be out here fooling everybody because it just looks so freaking natural. Like, stop playing. Nobody's coming for me, okay? But I am just gonna put some more of that foam wrap lotion on the, you know, outside of the hair just to give the curls just a little bit of shape. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Y'all stop playing. I grew this hair, okay? So this last hairstyle is pretty much a copycat of the first hairstyle. I just added 2 pieces of hair in the front. I just took some foam wrap lotion and twisted the 2 pieces around my finger to get that spiral like curl in the front. But like I said, pretty much the same hairstyle, just more defined. Y'all, I'm gonna give this unit a 10 out of 10. This has been my most complimented unit of 2024 because it looks so natural and it looks like it's literally growing out my scalp like it's mine. Like nobody could tell me. They had to come up so close to see that this was actually a lace frontal wig because they thought I was lying. Okay, they thought I was lying. So I will leave all the information in regards to this hair in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, y'all need to get this wig because she is that girl. Okay, until my next one, your girl. See you later. Bye guys.